Finally, your final exams are over or are going to over. Now you can relax until your results are out. After putting in so much efforts and hard work, you all can find some time for yourselves to enjoy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 6 things to do after your exams gets over. So let's begin. Number 1 is join a hobby class. If you are interested towards a particular activity, this is the best time to learn it. Joining a hobby class is the best way to explore your hidden talent and learn something you truly love. The best sites through which you can learn your favorite hobbies: first, Coursera; second, Skillshare; third, Read; and fourth, Udemy, and many more. Their links are given in description box. The second is learn your favorite language. You can learn foreign language after your exams are over. It's a very interesting activity and it's always good to know a foreign language as it can help you if you decide to study abroad or even while looking for a job. The best app to learn language for free is Duolingo. Here you can learn any of your favorite languages for free and can see your leaderboard. Third is read your favorite books. Reading improves your focus, memory, empathy, and communication skills. It can reduce stress and improve mental health. It also improves your knowledge and vocabulary. Even if you are not interested into reading books, try to read anything for an hour every day. Links of some good books are given below. Fourth is listen to your favorite music. Listening your favorite music can boost your mood, reduces stress, helps you to sleep better, and also it strengthens learning and memory. And the fifth one is go on a tour. You can go on a tour with your friends and family. Make the most of your family trip by camping, swimming, and doing a lot of adventurous sports. Click pictures, enjoy the weather and food, and experience the beauty of the place to the fullest. And the last is do DIY. DIY teaches you a new skill, allow you to be more active, and also save your money. It's really a good thing and can refresh your mood. So, how was this video? Tell us in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share to this video, and also subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on both Pinterest and Instagram. Thank you.